Hello guys, this is Hudson Moss here, and we're here today with another video of Clash Royale. So let's get right into things. Let's get right into a battle. Get 3 crowns so we could win. And get this right here. I figured out most people usually put stuff on this side, so put it there. And just put it there. But a freaking skeleton army. Ooh. Put the baby dragon right here, and so we have a Valkyrie going there and a skeleton bomber, which was instantly killed. Let's put let's put this down to kill those skeletons, and then we have a mini P.E.K.K.A. to do the job. And that was actually still pretty good. So let's put this down to kill those minions. I don't care about this stupid thing. We have a knight coming, a bomber. Let's put a skeleton army down, just to annoy him. And get rid of that last, oh my freaking god. Dang it. I hate it. They distracted. They didn't defeat. It's when you distract people and let the towers deal with them. Okay. Oh my god. This guy just spams minions. It's freaking crazy. What? This guy's a freaking hacker. Okay, we're just gonna totally destroy him. Hacker. See, these are signs of hacking right here. These are the first signs of hacking. No, let's not put that there. Let's put a giant down and a knight down. And a freaking skeleton army down. And this freaking down. So we could finally just rip them apart. Yes! Let's pay 2 more rounds and I'll finish it up. Yes, and we have our crown chest open. And, you know, I kind of want minions. They're freaking so annoying. It's crazy. So let's just upgrade this. You know, tell me in the comments below if I should put minions in my deck. Ooh, level up. King's Tower. Okay, I think it's time. We need to join a clan. So let's the Baller Squad. Let's actually join them. So I'm joined, and I think they'll get it pretty fast. Let's open up friendly battle. Wait, how much online 2? Yeah, I'm not doing that. Let's see here. So we have that you know, I think balloons are really OP. They do way too much damage. They're like the mini P.E.K.K.A. of the sky, but with a lot more health. Just put these down. And he's gonna put that down. But I'm gonna put... No, let's not care about that. Let's just take this guy down. I don't want to take this guy down. So let's put a baby dragon down. Just why not? Let's beat this guy. Ooh, yes. Okay, I think this will do the trick. Why would he put that there? Oh yes. And dead. That was a quick round. Let's play one more round and I'll finish up today. Hudson of the Bollock Squad. Oh my god, I love this thing. It's so noticeable. So let's play one more round. Clash Royale. And maybe... Ooh. He has a prince coming. I think I should wrap him up with a... And then if we have time, we can... Oh, it's a close one there. Oh, that does a lot of damage. Let's just put this here. Oh! Okay, let's actually just save up our elixir. So let's put this fireball to beat that dragon. And let's put a Valkyrie and a mini P.E.K.K.A. Because why not? And put a prince down. You know, 2 like 4 and 3 elixir people combos really work. So we have a knight and then we could have this down. Like those tanks. When they do a ton of damage. And then you have 2 of them. They're freaking amazing. Okay. That didn't do much damage. So let's just save up our elixir here. And technically we're winning. So I'm not worried about anything. So let's just put this right here. Okay. And put this dragon down. Yeah, they need dragons in Clash Royale. I think they should have dragons. And then oh, dang it, I missed that dragon. No. See, distract, don't defeat. I distracted the freaking... And damn it, we have a dragon coming. Let's just get that little critter away. And obliterate. Boom, we have a dragon and this. Oh, god dang it. He's gonna beat it. No, he isn't. And let's put this down. And destroy that. Boom, we have that coming. No, let's just get rid of it, okay? So now we have this Valkyrie to distract it. Nope, that's not working. Let's put this little dragon here. And get a get a knight. And get this. Ooh. Oh yes! We have all that crap coming his way. And then let's put a mini P.E.K.K.A. down. Yeah, never wait at 10 elixir. That's just a free tip I have. Let's put this down, this down. Ooh, it's overtime. We have to get this. Just destroy it. Oh my god, that stupid prince is blocking everything. We have 9 seconds. We could do this. We can freaking do this. 4, 3, 2, freaking 1. No. Dang it. Well, let me just wrap this up here. And see you next time. This is Hudson Boss. Can I even end this? I mean...